How to open a correct PayPal account, a correct and functional PayPal account. Now, this video is for those who are in countries where PayPal is not allowed for receiving funds, okay? But if you're in the US or in the UK or in some other countries where you can use all features of PayPal, then I don't think you have any problem. You might as well skip this video. But if you need PayPal account and you're in a country where you are restricted for receiving funds via PayPal, then this video is for you. The secret is Iceland or Bulgarian PayPal usually works for all and sundry. And when I mean Iceland or Bulgarian PayPal, I mean the business account of it. Okay. Now, when you log into PayPal from wherever location you are, and then you check the web URL, you are going to see this. For example, I'm in Nigeria and I can see NG here. Then just change that NG to IS and you are going to be on Iceland PayPal URL. Same goes to when you change it to BG, it's going to become Bulgarian PayPal, okay? Then just proceed with your real details, register everything, fill in the details as correct as possible, and then sign up for a business account. Select a business account, not personal. Now, the major problem here is just the address verification, okay? Because you'll be requested to fill in an address which is in that country of registration, okay? And even if you find your way around to fill in any address at all, like any Iceland address at all or Bulgarian address at all, you may be at a risk of losing your account if you are asked for address verification. But that's notwithstanding, PayPal hardly asks for address verification except when you start receiving huge funds, okay? When you start receiving above $3,000 in a month via your account. So if you open this kind of PayPal account, it's usually fine for you, especially when you are dealing with smaller funds, okay? Or when you don't receive more than $3,000 with your account or sell more than $3,000 in a month. Verify your ID card, verify your email, verify your phone number, okay? With your Nigerian details, with your any other country that you are in, okay? This is going to work, okay? But please make sure if you are trying to do this type of, if you are trying to open this type of PayPal account, please watch the video I made. I'm going to leave that video in the video description. Watch the video I made on how to avoid getting banned by PayPal, okay? And follow it strictly. The tips I give there when you are operating this type of PayPal accounts. But if you are planning to receive more than that, if you are planning to receive more than $3,000 in a month and you need a PayPal that you won't be scared of anything happening and you just want something very serious, okay? The only way for me, I don't know, for me, I'm speaking for myself, the only way I think you are going to get that is for you to get someone abroad, someone in a country where PayPal is permitted, okay, to register for you with his or her own details, verify their address, and then probably put in your phone number, because any phone number is usually around in PayPal. You can use any phone number, put in your own phone number, maybe use your email, and then use their own name and address to verify it for you, and then release the login details for you. And when you do this, please make sure that you log in via the correct URL. I mean, if the person did it for you from the US, then you're going to make sure you're logging in through the USA PayPal URL. So, for example, if you change the NG here to US, it becomes USA PayPal. If the person registered for you in UK, log in via the UK PayPal, okay? And then if you don't do anything illegal with your PayPal account, I don't see any reason of you getting banned or flagged for any reason, because already it was registered by someone who is in that country and the account has also been verified. My name is Waterfred1. If you gained any value in this video, subscribe, like, and share for more tips.